Yeah, hi, good day to everyone. Okay, so Sensex one day to expire. So, I mean, we were live like there you saw like some put writing happened. So, as we only follow the light red and the light green. So, some put writing happened here and it went up, right? So, like, even in this flat market, you can, as well as here, you saw like in a one day to expire, so you can just grab in the money or at the money some points and you can easily scalp. Like this one, if you see here, that is at 1049. So this is also a good one for scalping. Like it happened here as well in Sensex as well. Like even here as well. So this move and then this move and then again this move and this move wasn't there. So again this move. So and we were live. So like we were live from here, I think. So anyways, the main point is that like it's all live, it's all real time, it's tracking the big institutions, and over the period of like many days, many live streams, I have shown you the same thing happening, that an indicator is able to catch reversals. So can you show what happened on Friday? Udayji, what happened on Friday? Like I will show, but before that, just check this out. So Friday, yeah, this one. What was the time of the post? 9:51. Okay. And there I showed you like heavy put writing was going on, and it was RBI monetary policy day. So it was an events day, and then after that, you know what happened? It all pumped up. Okay. So I mean, it pumped up right away, right after that. So you can go and check out the charts and the time of the post. Okay. And this is Bank Nifty, this is Nifty, this is Sensex. Yeah, so talking about here, what happened? So mostly like after that, like here some put writers took the market up. Okay, so I have to now change the ATM to show you that those results, the same results. We have now changed the ATM, and then after that, like put and call writers both were present, so mostly. And yeah, so and today morning, like what happened was like mostly like put writers were present. Okay, so put writers were present, and then also like here call writers were present. So whenever these type of scenarios are happening, as we said, like I mean you see like here put writing happened, okay, and then the next bar call writing happened. So these type of scenarios I have mentioned earlier as well, like short straddles are being formed by the big institutions, and you see market is going flat. And the next thing is that we don't follow the those who are new here, we don't follow the deep green and the light and the deep red. Okay, so we only follow the light red and the light green. Light red is call writing, light green is put writing. Okay, and why don't we follow the deep ones, so which is the deep green, which is call buying, and the deep red, which is put buying, because big institutions mainly do writing. Okay, so that I mean that was the major signal in the morning, and after that like market went up, and after that like it just went flat after that. Like after 12 it just went flat there. So both put and call writers were present there. So the main move was like the main part was the morning just before the pump. We got a proper signal, and the proof is right there in front of you. So again like it's all right there, like 9:51. So you can also go and check that before 9:51. So market did not give any move, so it all happened after that. Daku trader, yeah, hello Daku trader. uh, where can I find the link to join Telegram? So the Telegram is like a complimentary access given to the members. So again, right now, as you can see, like during this red candle, some put writing happened, and then the next candle comes out to be green. And it's all happening right in front of you. Even in Sensex also it happened. Okay, so put writing happened here, and then we are going up. So this is the magic, like you're witnessing the magic like in real time. So yes, but because market is like going flat, so you should understand that move might or might not sustain also. Like it might be just for scalping as well. But again, the move came. Okay, so it might be a short term move, or might be a little bit longer term. But again, the move came. Okay, again here in Nifty call writing is happening. So but majorly if you see, look at this region, so mostly like put writing happened. Again here also some call writing also happened. So I think like overall you can understand like short straddles are mainly forming. So this was still a good one. Like here only call writing happened right at the top there and it fell. Ah, Pranam Ronak. So IMC started or like just the admission procedure went? Very small. Uh, I'll give one best seller, just plot all the money flow in a line chart and keeping. No, line chart it won't make sense because there are four types: call writing, put buying, and like put writing and call buying. So there are four types. So if I plot it on a line chart, people might get confused. I think this is one of the best. And you can also like put the mouse and see under which candle you got the signal, and after that what the move came in. So I think okay. So when is it starting? Like I think July or something, right? So all the so again you saw here like right here the red candle. So it's not like after the green candle has come it's printing. So it prints before the move comes before. So this is the fascinating thing. Like this is the magical thing. Like I mean everyone is worried about the next candle whether it should be green or red, and with a high probability you get to know its color. So okay. So how is the premium version of TradingView going on? So again, if you think that in such a tight range bound market also it's doing a perfect job, don't forget to put a like. Writing one flash call writing. Yes, but it might be the move is delayed by one day, or might be that the move comes tomorrow. Today might be just a premium meeting day. like today, I mean, mostly small sharks are present. Like if you see the amount here as well, like 20 CR, 13 CR. I'm just talking about the call writing, the light red part, not the deep red. 14 CR. So even here some smaller amounts like 13 CR, 96 lakhs, 78 lakhs, 75 lakhs, 41 lakhs, 99 lakhs, 94 lakhs, 79 lakhs, 60 lakhs, 17 CR, 48, 48 lakhs. Here 67 lakhs. This is 57 lakhs. So that is how it's going. Like in Sensex, you can see properly the, like in this region, mostly put writers are dominating. Like you get a fair idea like where the market is heading towards. How to use HFT Algo Screen Theater? Okay, how to use? You can go to the description and check out the videos. Like, let me show you uh, again. In very short, in one sentence, we just follow the uh, call writing and the put writing, because the big institution short. And those colors are for the call writing. The color is the light red, and for the put writing, the color is the light green. We only follow those. Okay, the other twos are like buying, call buying, and the deep green, which is the call buying, and the deep red, which is the put buying. But we don't follow the buying because big institutions majorly they write. Okay. And also we have the fund. Like suppose if someone is shorting here, call writing, so how much fund they are putting, so like, or how much fund is involved, or how much premium is involved in that position. So it's 29.6 here. Okay, so you can hover over the mouse and look at the amount here, so it will show you individually, like with colors, for each color what is the amount. And this is all tracking the big institutions, not and in real time. So you get OI every 3 minutes, but like starting at 9:18, but we get like real time updates about the big institutions positions in option chain in this HFT Algo Scanner. Okay, so this is what we are getting. And again, like today it might be a boring day, but you can go and check out the previous live streams on the channel itself. So you can go to the live section of the channel and check out the previous videos as well. Like the last Sensex expiry day, I was live like from 12 to 3:30 p.m. So you can go and check that out as well. And the several other live streams as well, to see that whether these are really the big institutions or not. Because many people can make many things and claim that these are big institutions, but uh, but since we saw that the charts are instantly bending, so that means these are the big institutions. Okay, so it proves that the claim is true. So anyways, again, if you let me show you which videos mainly to follow. So in the description also I have listed the videos, but let me show you again. So if you come to this, so the live section that I was talking about is here. So again, please note that in YouTube, in the live section, whatever videos you see, you cannot edit them later on. And so these are non-edited, like these are live market videos. Okay, and talking about the videos that you need to follow, so are mostly these two: high probability setup and the reversal. Okay, so with many examples I've explained it here. And also if you want, you can go through this open challenge, then these tracking the Jane Street type of institutions in real time, so you can a game changer. Okay, so you can look at these examples like I specifically made so that like to let people know how you can even scalp, or how you can go with the HFT Algo Scanner and do scalping, or even for the option buyers also how beneficial it is. So an option buyer basically needs directional trade, right? So for that you need something like this. So even you saw while in an up move, like right here, put writing happened, right? So right here put writing happened, and even after that also you are getting 3 green candles. So that is the beauty. And also like as I mentioned, even in this, like before even this last one also, last pump also, so I mentioned here that is mostly put writing happened in this region. And so you can see, so that's why we have the fund flow. That is, even if the big sharks are making positions, so it might be might be like some big institutions thinks that market will go down, some things that market will go up, but whoever is placing a bigger bet or putting more money, so we will follow that. So we saw here that uh, the people who thinks that the market will go long, go up, so the put writers, the big institutions doing put writers, so they have put a lot of money here more than the call writers, like which were this, and so it went up. So we will go with the one, so that's why we have the fund flow. We will go with the one who is putting a bigger bet or who is putting more money into the game. Okay. And also right here we can now see some call writing also has happened, and even in Sensex as well, but mostly like Sensex not that much, but in Nifty we can see, yeah. So let's also look at the amount. It's no, it's not a good 15.7 CR. So this is called, I'm just talking about the light red part. Okay, so if you hover over the mouse here, you see the light red is also given, the deep red is also given. So we are not following the deep red part here, the numbers. So the light red number is 15.7 CR. Okay, so it's all mentioned here. Sorry, I mean, see, why people come and say why no monthly, because they think that for 6 months it's only available at 15,000, so let's divide 15,000 by 6. So if it was available monthly, so we would have got it at 2,500, and so we want monthly. But try to understand that if I would have given for monthly, so then the monthly charges would have gone up to, let's say, per month it would have been 8K or something like that. And then the 6 months charges would have also gone up, like let's say up to 30K or something. So 25 to 30K for 6 months. So why? You should understand that we have to optimize the cost. Okay, so like we have to come in between somewhere, so that like we can also run our business and provide you such data which no one is able to provide you, like in and no one has even ever seen such an indicator. And like you saw, like right now you can saw we talked about this call writing. So it did not print after the move has come, it printed while there was this pump. Okay, so right after that you see like now it's falling. So these are the big institutions, and nowhere you get such type of data, and we are giving you access to such data in real time. So I mean, think about it like this. I mean, what should be its worth? Okay, so like people can easily sell it for 1 lakh rupees per year or something more than that as well. So you are getting it such a low cost. So don't, I mean, think that और भी सस्ते में मिल जाएगा या कुछ, मतलब you are already like, I should write there that like I should write 1 lakh and then cut it and write only 15,000. Then people will understand that, oh, so we are getting something which should be available at 1 lakh rupees per year. Now we are, or maybe for 6 months, and now we are getting it at 15,000, and then they will be grateful. Then they won't even think of monthly also, then they would think that, whoa, we are very grateful. But you should understand this thing first, that is such a unique indicator. Like the fall also came in, so right in front of you it's happening. So it's not about bargaining for monthly or cheaper price or something. So it's about like optimizing the cost so that it can be affordable to many, as well as we can also like buy data, or we can provide you such insight which no one is able to give you. Okay, so we have to also run our business, so that's why like we have to come in the middle somewhere, and we have to optimize the cost. Okay, so that we can also run our business, and you can also have I mean get such data at an affordable rate. So that's why I'm not putting anything monthly, because if I do it, so the monthly charges would be like 8k, at least like 7k to 8k, and then obviously the 6 month charges would also automatically go up. So I don't want that. I basically like want people to grab it like at an affordable rate. And so if you're going for like, let's say 6 months, it's only costing you 2500 per month. So the higher plans you take, so the lower cost you make. So many people came and told me like, make it 500 monthly and then you will get many subscribers. But that's not the point. The point is like, uh, we have to somehow make it at an optimized cost, so that, and also like uh, I mean, it's also not like see, whatever further updates or upgrades we are also bringing, we are giving that for free as well. So you have to understand that point as well. Like we are not charging anything for, like in the derivative Indian derivatives section. So whatever updates are coming, whatever updates we are releasing, so uh, whatever we are doing, so we are doing with your membership fees, and we are not charging you extra, anything extra for that as well. So HDFC Bank, yes. Look, yes, I mean, I have heard people buying simple price action or something like for 1 lakh, or someone is selling some course, I think, for 8 lakhs. So again, I'm not saying that those courses are not worth it or something, but again, I'm not going into that detail. But again, people are there who are selling just course, not even something which can generate you some alpha in real time, so which can help you generate money in real time. So course is something like you can read a lot of books and make a course, so it doesn't have to follow the in real time. They won't show their face. Okay, so in stock market, always the practical learning is the best learning, and it's real time. Yes, yes, any laptop where you can open browser and where you can open trading view, even on mobile phone as well, like where you have the trading view platform, the trading view app installed there, I mean, it will work. And the thing is that the our model, which is the like best model, that is the HFT model 1, so it works in anywhere, like on any trading view account. Yeah, so going for HDFC. So, oh yeah, I have opened HDFC here. So, yes, so even you can see, let's also go to 1 minute so that you better understand. So, see HDFC. So this is M5. So this was the quantum model. So, anyways, let's go to the primary model. So, in the primary model, we had some put writing, and the thing is that, like, I mean, you can see here, that is the point is that, like, from 9:15 you start getting like the moves. Okay, so from 9:15 onwards, you start getting the signals. You don't have to even worry about from 9:18 the NSEOI data comes in, right? And so the thing is that you don't have to worry about every 3 minutes the OI data will get updated. So many things can happen within 3 minutes. Like suppose you see here, like some put writing happened here, three green candles, and then again like light red, and I mean after that, like right after that the red candle came. Okay, so this is the beauty. Like you don't I mean within such 3 minutes many things can happen, right? So that's what my point is. So yes, was it to guys? Yes, 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 sure, Ronak. Buy BSC target as a MCS target, also only buy on cash or in option. I uh yeah guys, so we are not here for giving any buy or sell recommendation. So it's all based on indicator, and along with it we also have our smart trend indicator, so which also gives these signals, but we don't go with all those signals. Okay, so I mentioned the reason in earlier live streams and in every video. So but so just I mean there are rules, you have to just follow them, and that's it. Like right here, what did you see happening in Sensex right at the top? So light red, the call writers, so they dominated. Like in Sensex, sorry, in Nifty, we talked about this, and I mean, it gave a nice fall there. Though not much, but I mean, it's a good one for the scalpers. So those who missed it, like this one, or even this one, so like in Sensex, this one, so just go and like rewind the live stream and check it out. And to get this indicator, all you have to do is like you have to go to my website and just go for uh, like whichever option suits you, so you can go for that and you get access right away. And but your membership count starts from the next trading session, and that's the thing. And also like if those who like many people come and ask me like what is the accuracy of this indicator or something. So obviously like if I am selling a product, I will definitely say that it works best, or this is the best leading indicator in the market. Which is, but I mean many people will obviously say that, right? So that's why I also say that don't believe my words. Go to the live section. You have all these live versions. Okay, last week I think except Friday I did not get time, so I was live almost every day, and I did. And if I don't also come live, I also post on X as well. So if you see here, that is Friday. I did not get time to come live, but in the morning I posted the before the move. I posted uh, the here 9:51 a.m. I posted the put writers were present. Okay, you can go and check out on Friday. RBI monetary policy was there, so it was an events day 9:51 a.m. and then like market pumped up. Okay, after that it pumped up, so you can go and check out the charts. So like this, even I post on X as well, and every day I post whatever happened, or what how the performance went and everything. So you can go and check that out, and check those live streams, because the live streams cannot be faked, or it cannot be edited. So uh, so that will answer, the indicator itself will answer your question, because as I am selling my product, so don't believe my words. I will obviously say the good things about the indicator, but whatever I'm saying, is it true or not? Whatever the product claims that it can catch reversals right in front of you, today it caught reversals, many reversals in just a range bound market. So even like, let's say you want to now know how accurately it does every day, so you can go and check out the live streams. Yeah, so there are many scammers who are trying to stop me, because I think like no one has been able to make such an indicator which can catch reversals. So they would come and say that there cannot be any indicator. So this, like, you cannot track the big institutions in real time. So these are all fake, and this cannot ever happen. So yes, first of all, it would sound like this can never happen, and all these kinds of statements are false, whatever I'm claiming. And so that's why I come live and show it to you. After you are seeing it live happening, so after that there can't be any doubt, right? Because obviously, if someone so far has not been able to make something like this, then in the future also we cannot make it. So doesn't guarantee you that, right? So that's where the innovation comes into. I have talked about this, like, that's why we have innovation. So people are innovating. Like today you don't have it, like you don't have such a thing. Like right now you can see put riding happened, and from the next candle it's starting to go up. So I mean, this is what is innovation. Like people like, someday you did not have a mobile phone, right? So if someone told you that you can like sit here and talk to your friend in, let's say, America, in real time. So let's go back like 50 to 60 years back, right? So if someone would have said that, like people would have definitely said that, like, this is nonsense, like you this cannot ever happen, right? But today you can do so. Like we are all connected in real time. So this is the thing, like, if you haven't seen something like this, obviously at the first go you will say that this cannot happen. But you have to understand that in real time I'm seeing, so yes, it's happening. And after that, like if you say that no, it can't happen, then I have nothing to say. Like it's all up to you. Is it useful for no, 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 I have already said that. Like yes, I mean somewhat like positional. Like suppose I am a put rider, like today I saw heavy put riding has happened, or some days we see that, like let's say from somewhere market reverse. I've shown this example in the past as well. Like suppose Nifty came down and suppose it reversed from somewhere where a huge chunk of put riding happened, let's say 100 cr, or let's say 200 cr of put riding happened, and Nifty reversed. So we then draw a line there, and for writers it can be helpful. Okay, so then we can like go with ratios and write and take positional as well, because heavy put writing or heavy call writing has been done. So yes, that's how it can help in positional. But if you say that like I'll take positional for like in cash segment in stocks or something, so then I would definitely say that no. Like then we have another indicator which can help you. Like you have this is the smart trend. So you have to go that for like in 3 minutes or 5 minutes time frame, or maybe hourly time frame, where if you are going for some swing trade or something, like in stocks or in some other uh, indices. So that is the thing. Like but HFT Algo Scanner is the like since it tracks big institutional positions in option chain. So derivatives market, whatever positions are being taken, they most often change the positions. Like could be intraday, could be somewhat positional as well, but mostly the view changes most of the times in derivative section. So that's why like I won't suggest you to follow the HFT indicator for any swing trade or anything, but the thing is that for positional writing or something, yes, definitely you can. Why you do not trade? I do trade. I do trade. So I have like so people came and said that like there were many questions in the past I have discussed in the live streams as well. So that is like, first of all, the question was why you don't trade, and because you don't share your verified PNL and everything. And after that, what happened was that, like I said, that due to security purpose, I am not sharing. Then no one believed me. Okay, so then like I think it was the last August month. You can go and check out. So every day I posted the sensible verified PNL. And then when they saw that every day I was coming in the top, and then almost every day I was making at around like 3 lakhs, 4 lakhs. Some one day I made 7 lakhs as well. So then they understood the thing, that is, they understood my security reason. And also like as I was like coming on the top every day in sensible list, so what happened was that my psychology was also breaking down. Like what happened was like I tried to come every day in the top, so that was putting me into some like pressure, or letting me to trade more or something. So that's why like the last day I posted the verified PNL, I said that I won't be posting any further. And yes, so that after that I did not post anything. And also like now I'm trading in a prop dex account. So I also have an assistant. Like suppose if I see put trading here, so I give signals. Like if I think that I should take a trade, I give signal, or I say what to do, and he takes the trade. So that I can come live, and I can um, like I can guide you like here. So the thing is that like simultaneously both things needs to happen. So this is the only solution I saw. For a stock like Tata Steel, how do we set the indicator in decimal points? Tata Steel. So yes, that decimal point we will in the next update we will fix it. For now, what you can do is like you have to go to a integer multiple of the strike. So let's say for Tata Steel I'll put the ATM as 160, and I'll put the strike difference as 5, and then it will start working. Yes, like ratio positional. So because even if slightly it comes down or goes against you, you are still safe. Like 1:2 or 1:3. Yes, right, Anurag. And the for the newcomers, or if you are thinking that today market is flat and that's why he is coming live and showing it, so please go and check out. Like I was live on the last monthly expiry day, and I was also live on the last Sensex expiry day. And like last week, as I said, I was live almost every day except Friday. I did not get time. On Friday I posted the first move on X, and that was the ultimate move of the day. After that, like after 12, market was flat, like almost. But here's the decimal point upgrade. Yeah, we will update the decimal point upgrade as well. So many updates are coming on the way. So uh, how can we how can we made on 15-minute time frame or 30-minute time frame? One example, please. Like you can go on any time frame. Like let's say I go for 3 minutes. I use 3 minutes, so I go for 3 minutes. So again, it will show you the exact what I mean is like the exact output it will show. Okay, so it it will show you the exact output but in cumulative way. Okay, so like why I use a lower time frame, because I like since I am a scalper, so I need exactly like some exact reversal. So that's why I go for lower time frame. But apart from that, like you can also use like this one like here, so you can also use 3 minutes, you can also use 5 minutes, but you have to keep that in mind. The same output you are getting, just only in cumulative way. Like whatever happened in the 5 minutes, it's cumulatively the colors are given, and also you have the fund flow here as well. So even also if you want, you can go on 15 minutes time frame as well. So here like you can see like call writing happened, and then put writers are also there, so here also call writing happened. So that is the overall picture. But yes, so mostly like I remain in 1 minute time frame just because like I'm a scalper, and I scalp mostly, and that's why like even in writing or buying I scalp. So that's why like I use a smaller time frame, and that's the reason. But the output doesn't change if you like if you are going on higher time frame or so on. How can we big quantities of call and put writing nearby would indicate straddle writing right? Yes, yes, yes. Like if you see here, as I was saying in the like earlier one, like right here, if you see 930 call sorry put writing. Okay, so the amount was 41 cr. 40, yeah, 41 cr. 931 33 cr of call writing. So put writing, call writing, okay, almost the same amount. And so this kind of things might look like let's say short straddle are forming. Okay, so But if you kind of see here, mostly call writing happened right at the top there, and it fell. Like here we saw put writing happen, uh, then it went up. Okay, and here again call writing happened, it went down, and that's how it's going. Okay, so Skadosh, I purchased it working for me, just that we need to treat this as an aid to your trading style and not just blindly follow, but the edge is there in this manipulator. Yeah, so people will come and like they would say that market is manipulated, Jane Streets are manipulating the market. So why, like why should we like cry after the manipulation if we can catch? Because if they are manipulating, so why they are manipulating? Because they are taking some trades, okay, against us. So if we can catch them in real time, so that would be the ultimate game changer, and that is what we are doing here. So do you provide any training about how to scalp based on this chart? So that's why I have made these all these live streams, and also like made all those videos, the game changer. So look at those recent videos, you will get to know. Okay, like as I was talking about here, look at those videos. Like here in game changer, so in these videos I have discussed like open challenge, then this one track the Jane Street type of institutions, option bias paradise, this one the game changer one. So all these I have like discussed. Okay, so just go and check those out, you'll get to know. So again, like right here, some light green came in. We don't follow the deep green. Please note that we don't follow the deep green. So light green came in and it's pumping. Okay. So that is the beauty of this indicator. So it did not even print after this green candle came. So again, if you want to rewatch, like go and check back the live stream, like 1 minute before, and you will get to know. Like it printed while we were like going down, and that's how I mean, it's able to catch reversals. And all these are big institutions. It's proving that these are definitely the big institutions. Otherwise, why will the market just start reversing from there? It doesn't make any sense, right? Other than that, other than these are the big institutions, it won't make sense. Why did the suddenly the chart starts bending? And it really feels like magic. Even if you go and tell someone, some trader, that today I have seen some indicator that can catch reversals from almost top or almost bottom, so they will obviously say that it cannot ever happen and this is all fake, or something fraud is going on. Okay, so because if you said someone 60 years ago, like you can talk in real time with your friend in sitting in America from India, they would obviously say that this cannot happen. So it's happening live, real time. Even I'm not coming after the market hours and showing you it happened or something. So then also there is a question that show us in real time, in live, during live market hours, and you have all the past live streams as well to check them out. So okay. Oh yeah, give me five minutes. Enjoy the live stream. Give me 5 minutes. I'll be back. How to buy this indicator? So I just said like you have to. So this is my Twitter profile. So the website link is given there. Also, it's given in the description of the video as well. So you have to go there, and like whatever plan suits you, you can go for that. So the higher the plan, you save some money. But apart from that, in every plan you get the same thing: the HFT Algo Scanner, the Smart Trend Dynamic Stop Navigator, and the AI money flows. So for Nifty and Bank Nifty, and complimentary access to the Telegram channel for the members. And so that's the thing. Like, and so our main flagship indicator is this HFT Algo Scanner, and so that's how you can get it. Once you make the payment, you will be added automatically, like so you will be added within 5 to 10 minutes after you have made the payment. And any discussion? Yes, yes, that's what we have, like discussion or hand holding. Okay, so that's why we have a group. So again, please, Telegram channel doesn't mean that we give buy, sell, hold recommendation. So no. Okay. So it's just for hand holding, and it's very simple. Like, you have to watch big call writing or big put writing is happening or not. That's it. As simple. Like, as you can see, light red, and it's getting resistance. So it's very simple, like, to read the indicator. There's nothing much to it. So the we have like made the output so simple that anyone can easily read it. Like, and how do I? Yeah, I have answered. How is Nifty trend now? It's flat. Like, as I told, like, just for scalping, you can use this. Even you can use this indicator in a range bound market as well for scalping. No, no, we don't speculate for this week. Like, we won't even speculate for tomorrow also. Let whatever happens tomorrow, let it happen. Okay, so we will track the big institutions in real time. Whatever they are doing, we will also do the same. That's it. Plain and simple. Okay, so why speculate? Do you even know, like, tomorrow what Jane Street type of big institutions will do? Okay, so no one can know, right? And those who are saying like what will happen, so yes, fine. Like, but I think they don't work in during intraday. So mostly for intraday players, it doesn't work. Like, uh, yes, you can do technical analysis, look at big support, big resistance, and do some put writing, call writing. Those works. But if you're an option buyer, or maybe you want to get some directional move, so then you have to follow these big institutions and ride with them. And that, I think, that's the best solution. Like this one. Okay, last green candle, and we were live. Okay, you can rewind the live and see, we were live and it fell. But no technical analysis, or even yesterday you won't even know that at 12:34 market will give the last green candle and reverse from there, right? So that's why there's no point in speculating what will happen tomorrow, what will happen the next day or the next week. So let's focus on what the big institutions are doing in real time, and whatever fund they're placing, big or so the bigger sharks or the smaller sharks, and accordingly we can ride with them. Okay. Okay, yeah, give me just 5 minutes. What's the biggest one involved in pump or dump you've seen in front of your indicator and Nifty? So on an average, like the biggest pump and dump occurs like, let's say, 100 CR or more than 100 CR. So like they are good ones, but the exceptional one, the outskirts, like, so that happened like this Thursday. I saw we saw like 600 CR of call writing happened like at 24,900, and then the market gave a fall of 200 points on expiry day, like this expiry day I'm talking about. So that was an exceptional one, but usually it's like 100 CR or 150 CR of position. And also like the other thing is that like even above 50 CR is also good, but the best ones are like above 100 CR. I mean the best of the best, I mean, okay. And also like for scalping, like these 20 CR, 14, 15 CR also works, okay. Skadosh, please tell us this indicator stop any sudden activity in a particular FNO stock, or do we require any other scanner along with the HFT Algo Scanner? So now let me tell you like what's the heavy hands detector indicator. No, heavy hands detector, what it does was like so heavy hands, like, no, there was the heavy hand. So yeah, so this heavy hands detector, I was working on this, like, so yeah, so basically what it does is like I can't see, it tracks the volumes and gives, so wait, let's make it. I don't know, I was working on it long back. It's not printing. No, it's not printing. Like the main thing was I was working on it like to check heavy volume in cash, not in any other. So because option chain volume is like consists of everything. So but in, no, something is not working. So I have to go and check out its code, like, no, still it's not. So yes, the main part was that yeah, I was working on it long back. So I forgot, like, I have to make it work. I think it's not working right. I'll show you the outputs later on. So I was working on it long back. So the main idea behind it was like to check volume, like heavy, if there is some cash activity, like heavy volume of sell or buying is being done. So that's what I was working on, that one. Yeah, here it's working. Oh, in Nifty. Oh, okay, okay, okay. In Nifty, we don't have like, no, we have volume. Maybe. So like here it's working, as you can see, the heavy hands detector. So it, the basically like the volume threshold multiplier. So if you increase it, you have to like check where it's working at, under which stock, like which multiplier it's working the best, so and so on. Like look back period is 20, so 20 bars it will look back and give you those signals, like if the change is, let's say 4% or 0.3% or 0.2%. So like this, like, so here if you go and check out, let's change the time. So like this, like, so that is like those outputs that you are getting on. So I mean, specifically like the after that I saw that like it's better, like after that I made the smart trend. So I think like, so I released the smart trend, like I saw that it was better than that heavy hands detector. So even in, as you can see in Dr. Reddy's one, like, I mean, right at the bottom, the put writers came in. I mean, market was falling, and right there it pumped up. Even like the fall that you saw here, uh, yes. So here some writing happened, and two more green candles, and it gave a fall. There even some call writing happened here as well. It tried to give resistance. So the best one was this one, the last green candle. Yes, Big Rock. That's what I answered. That I will. So see, truly speaking, it's more. The accuracy is like more, absolutely more than 80%, and like on an average day you get almost 90% accuracy. Okay. So the thing is that like, and in some days it like works 100% of the time. So now the thing is that don't believe my words. I am saying, because I am selling the indicator, why would you believe my words? I would obviously say good things about the indicator. So for you, that's why I have live demos. So these live streams that I have done, so just go and check them out, and you will understand its accuracy and the level of accuracy that it has. So that's what I am saying. So this is the third. Sorry. Uh, so So here, this is like, here you have the live section. So as live streams cannot be edited or something later on, and we were live during the live market hours. So just go and check out the live streams. Like just go and check out the last Sensex expiry, the last monthly expiry. Okay, today you might say that you have only come live after watching the market is flat or something. So it's not like that. uh, Last week every day I was live, except Friday. I showed you before the move, the signal we got. I gave it on X as well, before the move came in. So here I just right now showed you. So this one, okay. So you can see light green. So it was full of light green. So full of put writing was going on before the RBI announcement on Friday, and 9:51 a.m. the post, and then after that, market pumped up. Okay. So yes, and also like, so that's how you can track the big institutions, and track their positions in real time, and go and check out the live streams, and you will get to know the indicator will, I mean, speak for itself. Okay. And you know that indicators or codes cannot lie. As a human, if I am selling something, I might lie about my product, that it can do wonders, this is the best product. Okay. So for marketing I can say anything. So that's why I'm saying don't believe my words. Go and check out the live streams. There it will speak for itself, and that, I think, that is the best answer you will get it, like. And the major live streams I have also, like, when I'm getting time, I'm making the timestamp as well, so that you can easily scroll through the live streams, like I did for the last Sensex expiry, the last monthly expiry also. So you can also browse it with the help of the timestamps present in the videos. Can you check your audio? It is very feeble even after raising the volume from my end. Thank you. Okay, so might be. Uh, is it now fine? Hello, 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 hello. Is the volume fine now? Hello, hello. Can you hear clearly? Can you please explain what happened in first 10 minutes of 5th June Nifty reversal? 5th June, wait, 5th, so first of all, 5th June, if you're talking about, like, go and check out the live stream, because with the help of indicator. See, Prabhu, so the thing is that this is tracking option chain positions, okay? So you won't get like see you don't have the historical data present on TradingView. So I mean, if you're looking at the last expiry, so just go and check out the live stream. Okay, so this Thursday you are talking about, right? So just go and check out the live stream of the Thursday. Okay, so because whatever now we are analyzing, let me say, like, let's say that you want like Thursday, correct? So Thursday was 5th June. So that expiry, see, if I put now, if I change the date to 5th June 25 and press OK, you see nothing, right? It shows error. So we don't have that runtime error. So we don't have that data now. So I cannot show you now. Once the expiry date is over, I cannot show you with that data. So for that, just like go and check out the live stream that was done on 5th. Okay. So we were live and I showed you the full day length, like. So I think this is Sensex expiry and then Nifty 1 day to expire. So this was the video. Nifty 0 day to expire, 0 DT. So just go and check out this video, okay? So you'll get to know. Okay, let me put back this. Okay. Okay, great. Yeah, so and again, YouTube live streams cannot be edited later on. Like if I'm editing, then they will be posted under videos section. Okay, I cannot post them under live section. Yes, I can post them under live section if I am doing some live after market hours or something, but you can go and check out the. And in that case, on TradingView, there will, in the background, you will see a big writing called replay. Okay, so if you even go and check out like the shorts that I made after the market hours here, so in every one you will see a replay is being written at the background. Okay, so you will find that writing. If someone is like playing after the market hours, there will be a big writing at the background written replay. Okay, on TradingView. So since it's not possible to like in live to go with like show all these stocks and whatever, like, so it's really not possible during live. So that's why, like, the thing is that like mostly since people trade Nifty and Bank Nifty and SEX, so we like do live there. And the thing is that, yes, someone was saying like, do we need any other indicator? So you don't. You all have to check is that if suppose you see a big, in short, if you see, first of all, the first rule says that we only follow the light red and the light green. Okay. The second rule says that if you see the light red or light green, which is the call writing or put writing respectively. So if you see huge put writing or huge call writing, so you wait for the charts to bend. Okay, after the charts starts bending, you can like go along with it. And as well as also, if you want to club the smart trend indicator also, like suppose I saw here call writing is happening, huge call writing is happening at this region, so I can also wait for the sell signal on the smart trend as well on a 1 minute time frame. Okay, and then I can ride along with it, because on the sell signal on the smart trend, it not only gives me a stop, but also it trails the stop. Okay, but again, you don't have to actually follow it. But if suppose if you got this fall captured, you can simply close it there at itself, or you can go for trailing profits or something. It's all up to you. But the main point is that, like, the entry. So like here you saw put trading happening, you wait for the charts to bend, and the charts are bending right after two red candles. Okay, so that is the thing, like that is the main point of, like, you need entry. Okay, so I mean perfect entry is the point where you like for intraday players, like if you're able to capture reversal, so that's the best thing. And even I showed you, like, on Wednesday, on Thursday as well, like uh live I showed you that what the big institutions are doing. So you hear that the Jane Street are making, last quarter they made $2 billion. So I mean, they what they're doing, we saw it live, like how they're maximizing their profit. So right below they did put writing. Okay, took it up, and then right at the top they did call writing, and then took it below, like they're maximizing, ऊपर ले जाके मतलब कॉल का प्राइस बढ़ा के then they are shorting calls, and फिर नीचे ले जाके मतलब पुट राइट कर रहे हैं, तो मतलब इन लोग प्रॉफिट को फुल्ली मतलब मैक्सिमाइज कर रहे हैं. तो I mean that's how you are basically tracking the we are tracking the reversals with the help of them. Can you help me see where the amount of crores in written in the indicator? Where to see that? Unable to see that from my side. See, what a knowledge hub, what you have to do is you have to take your mouse over, let's say I want to know like market reverse from right here. I want to know, like, I see call writing has happened. So I'm very interested, like how much amount did they put, or how much amount was involved in the position that let Nifty fall from 25 125 right away. Okay, so the answer is I have to go and hover over that bar, like I'm taking the mouse, as you can see the mouse over that bar in the HFT. Okay, and there you see in this pane you will see this four, like, you see this four numbers here with respect to the colors. So there you see 15.7 cr, like the amount is the light red amount is right here. The deep red amount is also there, but it's 72 lakhs, but we don't follow that. And you will see the light green and the deep green amount is 00, because in this candle there is no deep green or light green. Okay, so you can very well see it here in the pane. Okay, did you get it? Thank you, understood. Okay, great. I'm new to this indicator, how to use this. Okay, fine, let me repeat once more. So first of all, you can go, so this indicator, the HFT Algo Scanner, so it basically tracks the big institutional positions in real time. Okay, and with that, like there is also the fund flow, like so this is like catching the big sharks. Sorry, not big sharks, like the sharks or the operators. Okay, whatever they are placing bets or positions in option chain, so we are like tracking them in real time. Okay, and also, like, first of all, you will say that is this the same as OI? So the thing is that you should know that OI comes every 3 minutes from NSE, starting from 9:18 a.m. in the morning. So this cannot be OI. OI is not real time. But yes, we are also taking the help of OI. But again, in real time, it's not all about OI. Okay. And the next thing is that there are 4 colors to represent the 4 positions in option chain. That is the light ones, which is light red, which is call writing. So as you saw here, call writing happened and it fell. Okay, and also we have the fund flow to identify if they are like big sharks or small sharks. Okay, or big operators or small operators. And the thing is that the 4 colors, the light red, which is the call writing, light green, which is the put writing, deep green, which is the call buying, deep red, which is the put buying. Okay, and you all have that like written on the website as well. So if you go to about the indicators, so here you will see it's all written. Okay, and which color represents what. Now we don't follow, it's also written that as big institutions mostly write options, so that's why we don't follow the deep ones, the deep green or the deep red, because they mostly write options. And suppose you will say, how do you know? That is simply like, let's think that you have 10 CR fund in your account. Will you buy options worth 5 CR or 6 CR? Okay, because let's say even on an expiry day, a slight move can wipe out half of your capital easily. You won't dare to buy like options worth 5 CR. Okay, but with 5 to 6 CR, you may write options, right? So think like that. So the big institutions like the Jane Street types or the big hedge funds, uh, so they are trading with billions. Okay, so 1 billion USD is 8,000 CR approx. So they are trading with that much of capital. Okay, so the thing is that they will mostly write, and that's why we follow the light green and the light red. And I'm not saying totally they don't buy at all, they also buy, but they mostly write. And so to go with like to make a high probability setup, we only follow the writing part. Now the next thing is that uh, so all the 4 positions, but we only follow the writing part. And now you would say that then, like, since we are following the writers, the big writers, will it be helpful for option buyers? So mostly we'll see after writing, they are taking they are turning the market in their direction or the charts in their direction. And so since an option buyer needs direction, so obviously that can also help option buyers as well. I mean, it's helping. Not only it can help, but it's helping. Okay, right now also you can see here. So even in a range bound market also you can scalp with this one, and as well as in other type of markets as well. And that is the overall thing. But if you want to know more, so in the description you will find out the link of the videos. So let me also show you. So if you go to my channel, so if you go to the video section, So you'll have to see this high probability setup and this reversal. So with many examples, I have explained like how to use this setup or how to use the indicator, and also like for option bias, like since why is it a game changer, so I've explained with proper examples in this one. Tracking the Jane Street, option bias paradise, so these also you can go and check out. Okay, like the open challenge one, the AI catching reversal. So I've shown you like with many examples in these videos to help you understand like how you can even scalp or how it's beneficial for option buyers as well, because most retailers try to buy options. So that's why like with like buying also, like I've given proper examples to let you understand how it can be beneficial for buyers as well. Okay, and yeah, so that's the overall thing. And also if you want to see its past performance live, so for that you can also like go to the live section and check out the live streams that we also did. Yeah, just enjoy the live. I'll Oh, okay, so did not open. Like also sometimes like on Sensex expiry day, the last Sensex expiry day, we also saw that like it's able to catch like false breakouts or something. So yes, world from 18. I hope you have got like how to read this indicator, right? And also, like as I also said in the past live streams and everything, so like suppose if you see something happening, the same thing happening in Nifty, Bank Nifty, or Sensex Nifty, like same or almost the same time, like let's say at a gap of one or two candles or something. So uh like the same, like let's say in both put trading is happening, heavy put trading is happening, or in both heavy call trading is happening, so it's also a very strong signal. And we saw that with some proper examples as well. Like here you see deep green, so we don't follow this because this is denoting call buying. So why we don't follow call buying or put buying, as we have like said that in the past as well, that is they can be used for hedging purpose. So that's why we don't follow. But then again you would say, if you don't follow, why do you keep it? So just for reference, sometimes it's helpful. Sometimes we see that in a falling market further put buying is happening, so there are some kinds of like scenarios where it's helpful. Or else like some call writing happened and then, like let's say, uh, you see call buying as well, so you know that like they are properly hedging their position, so that's why we keep it and nothing else. But also, like in the coming update, we will try to remove this, and not totally remove it. You will have the option to only see the light red and the light green, and not the buying ones, the deep ones, and also the usual everything. So both options will would be there. And also, like after it has like printed, so while the candle is live or something, so it's still thinking, but after it has printed, so it doesn't repaint or anything. Please show the put selling in MCX for today in the first 15 to 30 minutes, please. Okay, I also don't know whether put trading happened there or not, so let's see. Uh, we should change the ATM. It's let's say 7,600. 100, 6, 26. yeah, so this is what happened. Like, let's also let's- no. So the thing is that like here there wasn't any major put riding signal there, but again, in the so like in the smart trend we were in the buying zone. So, and also like as I even said here how to use this. So wait for the charts to bend. Even if call writing is happening, so the charts are not bending. So if the charts are not bending, you don't go in it until unless the chart starts bending. And also you are in the buying zone in the smart trend. So if you're going along with it, so do put a stop loss. Like it's not like the heavy or the big institutions, they don't make a loss. So they might have like closed their positions at around here or something, or they might have hedged it. Like the move might come tomorrow or the next day as well. So that's why I say to be safe on the safer side, wait for the charts to bend. Okay, so yes, and even in the smart trend, you are in the buying zone there. So also some members, what they do is like uh, they track these like change in OI. Okay, so they like go to this NSE OI spurts and they track this change in OI. So if the change in OI is more than 7%, so they basically go along with it and track those stocks with the help of the HFT Algo Scanner. So that also like how stocks are selected for an intraday basis. So I mean talking about stocks also like for Nifty, uh, so for Nifty, I mostly also follow sometimes like Reliance and HDFC because they have a very high weightage there. So even in Reliance is opened here as you can see, and HDFC is also open. So Reliance, you can see a big call writing happened here. Like when you had a very big green candle, so like there you had this call writing, and after that like it dumped. So as I always say, like that's why we wait for the charts to bend. Okay, and like as soon as it starts showing the reversal, so we can definitely go there. And here some call writing also happened. Right in the morning, some put writing happened here in this candle. Okay, so very few quantity, but it happened right here, and then they tried to pump it, but again, right here the call writers started. Here also some call writers were there, but again it went up here. So so the big, I mean, you can now understand why we have the fund flow. So the big one was here. Okay, so I mean, it's like you can now compare like these quantities with this. Okay, so the big one was here, and then after that, like it all reversed. So the time was, let's say, 12:11. So 12:11 is, let's say, this one, I think. So 12:31. Yeah, so 12:11 was this one. Okay, after that also here Nifty went slightly up and this call writers came in here, and then the fall started. In stocks or some thing like which has, let's say, many days to expire. So there I've seen that sometimes what it happens is like big institution takes positions even 2 to 3 days earlier. So be a little bit careful there. Like as you can see, like in Nifty, we are seeing some call writers are present. So even if we go into HDFC Bank and see what is happening, so here call writing and put writing both happened, which is showing a kind of short straddle type of thing. Here mostly put writing happened because we don't follow this put buying. So put writing mostly here, it went up. Now here if you see like call writing, put writing both are happening. Here some call writing. Okay, so here they try to pump it, but again the call writers came in here right after the pump and it reversed. Here some call writers came in. So I think like call and put writers are both there. So I think overall it's consolidating. So okay, so the nearer the expiry, the better it works. Like if you see in stocks, like you have to go to my profile and just check out this last monthly expiry. So so you will notice that like how nicely they were working in the stock options. So because they only had 1 day to expire. So the lesser the time, the move will come quickly. And if they have like a lot of time to expire, so obviously they would do a lot of manipulations. If you have any questions, you can still ask. So I would be there till 3 p.m. After that, I have a meeting. So I might keep the live stream on. Some small sharks are coming and doing put trading here. So this is 15.3 CR of call writing happened. But here again, put writing also happened, but the put writing is only 69 lakhs, but the call writing is 15.3 CR. Like here also put writing happened, but that was only for 43 lakhs. So that's why we have the fund flow. Now you understood, like here both call and put writing happened, but to know that who is putting bigger, like are the bears putting bigger bet uh, or the bulls putting bigger bet. So that's why we have the fund flow. And you see the guys who put more money, so they are taking it down. So that's why we follow the big ones. So here in Sensex, you can see put writing happen. Okay. And so this indicator has been designed for reversal. Okay, so when market falls, it mainly tries to track the bulls, the big bulls. And when market goes up, it tries to track the big shorts, and that's how it has been designed to catch reversals and nothing else. And so the main part is tracking the big bulls and the big shorts. So everyone, I hope you saw this reversal. Like market was falling there, right? Since Sensex, and right from there, like so, this was the amount was 26.8 CR, and that was the last red candle for that moment, and then Sensex reversed. So I hope now you know the power of this indicator, guys. So anyways, I think you enjoyed this reversal. So again, it might be a small reversal, but yes, it definitely is a reversal. And again, please don't forget to put a like at least. So like costs you nothing, but and it's also anonymous. So don't forget to put a like at least to like you're watching like a magic show in the stock market, and so there is nothing like this in the market. Like someone is able to do it, or some indicator is able to catch reversals from. So this is exact bottom, right? So almost top or almost bottom. If you're able to catch reversals, like you can maximize And as an option buyer, you need such things. So combining Sensex and Nifty also gives a high probability setups as well. Like in Nifty we saw the here one the big call writers, and we got this four red candles after that. But in Sensex at that moment we did not get any such uh, big call writing sign. But the thing is that again in at the almost at the exact bottom in Nifty we did not get, but in Sensex we got. So that's also it can happen, and also the combining Nifty Sensex also, or sometimes Nifty Bank Nifty also can increase the probability. Like done, where is trap points in it? I did not get what do you mean by trap points? Like it caught this reversal, right? So right in front of you, right at the right bottom. Like you see all these candles were red, 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 red. Right at the last red candle only they made some big put writing, and it kind of reversed. Yes, I'm not saying like it will totally reverse, but so you have to like trail your profit. So it might happen that the move may continue or the move may stop there as well. But you get a nice return as expiry nears. So if you capture reversals, मतलब जितना expiry uh, like so in Nifty you got the a proper signal of call writing here, right? And after that again it's falling. So द क्लोजर द एक्सपायरी मतलब जितना एक्सपायरी पास होगा मतलब आप रिवर्सल अगर कैच करते हो तो it gives you a higher return as well, because on expiry days or near to 1 day to expire, so generally like premiums becomes like lesser, and usually not always, because it also depends on other factors, wakes and other factors as well, but usually. So the thing is that, and then suddenly it pumps up and gives you a good return. So you saw like Sensex, we saw the pump fine, and then after here in Sensex, small call writers were present, but in Nifty, some good amount of call writing was happening right here at the top. Okay, and again the reversal came in. So ट्रैप यू सी ट्रैप पॉइंट्स यू मीन लाइक सबको ट्रैप करके एकदम एक डायरेक्शन में ले जाएगा. सो that today cannot, I mean today you are not getting it because market is in a range bound, but look at I mean Friday's one. Okay, wasn't that a trap, a big trap? Like 9:51 we saw the big put writers right here. 9:51 a.m. RBI monetary policy at 10 a.m. 9:51 we saw huge put writing, and then market pumped up. So I mean someone big knew about those repo rate cuts. So I mean always the information is with the ones who have more money or huge amount of money. So I'm not saying the system is compromised, but you know that whoever has, they have some information which we don't have. Whoever has like, let's say, billions of dollars, so they obviously have some more information than us. And that's why like, so that was a trap, right? Also, go and check out on Sensex expiry day. Like there was a false breakout on the upper side, and then we saw that in right at that candle call writing happened and Sensex came down. So which showed us that that was a false breakout. So many traps happens, and like here also you saw Sensex was falling, right? So isn't this also a trap kind of scenario, like here right there reversed? Like yes, the reversal did not last. Even in Nifty we got the signal right here, call writers are present, but kind of like this happens, like suddenly reversal from the bottom or top, and you get trapped and something like that. So so even in Nifty also you see put writing happened at this red candle, and then the next candle is coming out to be green. So if this is not like something very fascinating, or I don't know what will, or if you don't think this is not the leading indicator in the market, then I would like to see the indicator which is more leading than this. And that's why I've kept an open challenge that find me another leading indicator more leading than this. And that works almost every intraday in catching reversals. Okay, so yes, RSI also does a job of, sometimes it's in oversold or overbought region, it tries to catch reversals, but that comes in a once in a blue moon. Okay, if you're on a 1 day chart, so you might get a signal like, let's say, once or twice a month on RSI or something, but that's not, that's good for positional but not intraday. It's indeed a very good live minutes on an OI indicator. This is not OI again, so HFT. This is HFT, high frequency or big hedge funds. Sensex expiry, so more return in Sensex from now till tomorrow. Yes, right. So the nearer the expiry, so the better returns you get. Why light green occurred before reversal? Because they did put writing and it reversed. So that is the beauty of this indicator, that you got to know that some big operator has done put writing, and you also get to know the amount the fund is like involved in those positions is 26.8 cr, which is 27 cr, and it reversed, right? So that is the beauty, like that is how you are catching reversals, right? Right here also in Nifty also you saw here put writing happen. Let's see, let's also look at the amount here. It's 18 cr, and you see right after that it's reversed. Now you would say here also call writing happened, light red, then why didn't it follow? So that's why we have the fund flow. Who is the bigger shark? Okay, out of the sharks there are smaller sharks and there are big sharks. So this is like 18 cr, but this call writing is 58 lakhs. Now whom will I follow? I will follow the one who is putting the bet of 18 cr, right? And who is bending the charts in their direction. Even here also some put writing happened. This is 45 lakhs. And again, after this red candle, this green candle is coming. And even in Sensex also you saw put writing happened here. It's again going up. You can also look at the ATM of Sensex, or near ATM of Sensex, and you can very well understand as an option buyer how much you would have gained by catching this reversal. Okay, so I hope you got the point. World from 18. So you shouldn't ask why light green occurred before reversal. You should ask like, I mean, that is the big operators. Like that is how the big operators are trapping the retailers. Okay, so that is the, like, the question that comes in everyone's mouth is like, how can this happen? Like suppose you are watching something wonderful, like the very first question that comes in your mouth is wow, like something I'm seeing it for the first time ever in my life, or ever in the history of the stock market, that some indicator is catching reversal from exact top or bottom. So isn't this wonderful? Avnit Kaur, yes, thanks. So again, at least do put a like. See, on every live stream I do wait for some kind of good reversal. After you watch, then only I say that do put a like. Otherwise I don't also say that put a like. So those who puts like, other than that also I'm very grateful. But after showing you some good magic, that after showing you some good reversal, or even in a tight range bound market also, after seeing some reversal, then only I tell you that yes, the indicator or the live stream does, I mean it does uh, like, yeah. So I mean it should get some likes, yes. So it deserves, it does deserve some like, and that's why after that I tell you to please do like, so that it can encourage me to go forward with my work and with my innovation and everything. So free trading view account is enough as it involves multiple indicators. So in free trading view account you have limitation of putting only 2 indicators. So those 2 indicators you can again use the HFT, the same one, and also like I made one video to how to utilize the free trading view account. So if you go here videos, so hacks trading view, so I made like in on basic free trading view platform also this works. And our model, the best model works, the primary and the best model that we mostly follow on trading view, mostly follow our prediction, and like this one, like this model. So that works on any free version of trading view as well, or any version. And that's the beauty of the indicator. And it all happens in real time. I was able to catch 5 points in the Nifty reversal that happened right now. Okay, that's also great. Like, it's all up to you, but it's, yes, it's giving you fine entry points. Okay, after that I always tell you to trail the profits. Even sometimes, let's say that it pumps up huge, and you scalped only 5 to 10 points, and you closed, and then you are regretting. So that's why I also say that, like, you can trail your profits. Okay, so you can put the sell order with that 5 points that you have already captured, and then after that you can trail the profits. Like if it moves another 10 points, you go for another 5 points and book your profit. So if it comes down and hits that order, so automatically it will get closed. Otherwise you can track. So you can do that either manually, or there are some platforms also who are helping you to do that as well, like failure profits. I think Upwork itself, they have that system, but there are some other external platforms also through which you can connect your broker and do that, the trailing profit one. So that sometimes, like, so that we don't miss out a huge pump or a huge profit, but also like we are booking our profits. Okay, so that like even if market reverses in our direction, so won't be like we would like close into profits. Because what happens is, I've seen sometimes that people are into, like, let's say a good profit, and then suddenly market reverses, and it wipes out their profit. So don't do that. Like trail the profits. And don't trail it using your hand also, because if you're not very fast, I won't recommend that. Use some algo to track. So as I said, like I remember Upwork does that, but I don't, because now I am not trading like on this. I'm trading on a PropDex account, so I don't remember now they also have it or not. But does do check out. But also as I said, like I'm not very sure. I can name some platforms. You have to go and check that out, because I don't use personally. But there are platforms like Algobaba also. recently Saket has launched his fin target to trade and all these put place trades, and like with the help of algo you can place trades and so on, like track strategies and so on. So you can go and check them out, but I'm not sure they all have this trailing profits or not, but I'm very much sure there are external platforms who are making those things like trailing profits automatically. Like suppose how you trail profits is like, suppose you set it like if market moves 10 points, you book 5 points out of it. Every 10 points market moves, you book 5 points out of it. So like this you can trail, or let's say for every 3 points you book 1 point. So like this you, if your position is in profit, so like this you can trail your profits. And also while trailing, if you think that market has pumped up a lot and you are still in there and you are getting a huge profit, then also like suppose if market has moved 100 points, if you're trailing your profits like every 10 points you are getting 5 points. So if market has suddenly moved within 1 or 2 minutes 100 points, so then your profit is getting locked at 50. Now why take that 50 points? Just take that 100 points, like close it there itself and get out. Okay, so that type of things also you can do. Like you have to know how to maximize your profit, and that you can know. Like the I mean, all these courses, all these people are selling. So why they are for? Like to understand to take positions, right? Where to take positions, like what analysis will you follow to take positions, to enter, to exit, whatever. So, but all those theories only work in the books, not in practical life. Whatever theory you have learned so far, I have also learned many theories, but life is totally different. Live market is totally different game. Okay, so right here you saw call writing. Okay, now tell me which technical analysis or which theory or which whatever will tell you, like this one, market was giving one after the other red candles and put writing happened at the last red candle. Which theory, which technical analysis, which indicator will tell you this? So that's why live market is totally different. It's about following the big institutions, and that's it. Okay, theories are good, you learn, you should have some basic knowledge about market, basic knowledge about option chain, but that's it. Okay, read theories only to understand the market. Okay, you cannot track reversals using like this one, using any theory or something. Okay, so you have to understand that. And those who are selling courses, I myself have never bought any course. I can proudly say that I myself have never purchased any course or anything. There are a lot of free materials. I mean, I would definitely say that the guy who is making a course, they have also watched uh, all these free stuffs over the internet. They have read some, might have read some books, and they are making again those courses and they are selling it to you. So, because courses, everything, theory is out there. You buy books, you read them. It's the best thing. Okay. So, yes, but suppose you don't have time, you want to get like someone has taken time to read everything and then they are making a gist out of it, and let's say putting all those experience, all those out there in 1 hour, and you are watching that 1 hour. Yes, then it makes sense to pay. Fine, I agree with that. But again, if you want to learn in depth, internet is the best source. There are free materials everywhere. Okay, and I have only taken the help of the free sources and learned. And practical learning is the best thing. Okay, and that is the thing I would say. But the thing is that no theory can help you with this one. Okay, so that is where we are coming in, and we are tracking the big institutions, and with the help of them only we are able to catch reversals and these moves and everything. Okay, so So again, like, I mean, right in front of you, this reversal, and then from the top in Sensex itself, like this candle, another one green candle came in, and then resistance or little bit, and then came down, right? So I hope, like, at least please do put a like. I mean, the indicator deserves some likes, guys, and likes cost you nothing, and no one can know that you have liked. Then it's anonymous, totally anonymous. So okay, answering all your questions. If we change the time frame to 5 minutes, then also the amount seems to be correct. Yes. Hitesh, like you, yes. So Hitesh is one of our members. He joined last Saturday or Friday. Uh, so Hitesh, like the thing is that on 5 minutes, 15 minutes, again, all I am saying is like it gives the same output, but in cumulative fashion. Okay, so whatever happened in those 5 minutes, it will cumulatively the data will be output. So you can go on any charts. I especially come into 1 minute time frame because I'm a scalper and I want to catch this quick reversal kind of things. Like here, suddenly it reversed. So that's why I follow this smaller time frame. Otherwise, yes, the same output is shown in every time frame, and the thing is that like it's cumulatively shown. Okay, so the output is the same. Overall, the output is the same. It's just cumulative. Okay, I'll try trailing. That's a good, yes, it's a very good idea to trail because sometimes I have regret. I have made many regrets like those. Like uh, that is, I just captured 5 to 10 points and market reversed. Like in Sensex, it pumped up like 200 points, so or 300 points. So yes, there were many regrets. Like so, as a trader, you will have regrets, but the thing is that you have to overcome those. Like, though that's why like practical experience is the best one. I mean, no one can teach you those. Like, you have to teach. You have to take time to know how market follows which data when. So, and that's how you have to track or you have to go about trading. Like. Orko, I'm gonna buy 6 months back. Thanks for the replies. You got me convinced. So see, again, I'm saying that don't even believe my words. I mean, scammers would come and say that whatever this guy is saying that his indicator can catch reversals from exact bottom or exact top. This can never happen in the stock market. He's a scammer. Don't believe his words. I am also saying don't believe my words. Just look at the indicator live and the indicator will speak for itself. Okay, as a human being I can lie, but as a code cannot lie. A code will only follow its code. Okay, a software or an indicator will only follow its code, it cannot lie. So that's how like it's working out right in front of you. The indicator speaks for itself and nothing else. Like Fires has an option of smart trail order. It automatically receives the buy or sell order, works superbly. Yes, you can also automate using TradingView as well. So we are bringing more updates to this indicator so that like people can further automate the thing. So, but for automation for now using TradingView, you need a premium account. Okay, so there are many platforms like that I said like Algobaba, Saket's FinTarget. But again, I'm not promoting their platforms. I personally haven't used them. I only know that they are doing such stuffs like automating the trade or something. But again, you need signals to enter, right? So for signals, they are not like they are only helping you to manage your trading positions. Okay, so and also like so what happens is like how you can also automate is like suppose let's say that on the HFT Algo Scanner, you're putting an alert that whenever the call writing or the put writing amount, so call writing amount exceeds 100 CR, so the value you can put 100 CR, so then you get a signal, like once per bar close you get a signal, okay? And with that signal you can like initiate a sell position, or if you want more confirmation you can wait for the sell signal on the smart trend also. Okay, if it is already in the sell signal on the smart trend, then you can initially, like whenever these two signals match, you can automate the trade. So that's what we are also, like this you can like so automate with the help of this webhook, like this notification under that you will see webhook URL. So but that URL only is available for premium users on TradingView. Okay, so but again I think we can also, without the premium access, we can also do something. So I'll come. My final goal is to automate this whole thing. Right now, what we are doing is like we are as a human being, we are watching the charts. If the charts are bending after big call writing or big put writing, and then we are placing the trades. So that also like we can automate it. So the final, like we are constantly, whatever problems are arising, we are constantly solving it, okay? And the final goal is that it will be fully automated, like we can track the big institutions and ride with them automatically, okay? So like for office goers, like for everyone who doesn't have time to check the charts every time, so for them, so for now we have alerts for them, like if some big, they can set alerts, like if alert me whenever call writing is more than 100 CR, alert me whenever put writing is more than 100 CR, or 50 more than 50 CR. So whatever works for you, then only I'll go and check out the charts and so on. So those things now you can do, but uh, full automation, that is our final goal. Like so we are like solving the problems one by one that are coming into the path of automation, and finally, yes, that is the target to reach. And every update we are giving it for free to the members, like we are not charging anything extra, like so that, like, yes, I said that for so long as Indian derivatives market is concerned, we won't be charging. Suppose if I go and make something for cash market, yes, that will be different. But as long as we are doing anything in the Indian derivatives market, so everything that comes in the future, all will be rolled out for at no extra cost, like we have done in this one as well. Like this week we have rolled out this all the four models, the extra four models. So we haven't charged anything, like this update we gave the quantum flash HFT, so we did not charge anyone any extra. And also like many updates are also coming the next week as well. So update means like, what is the update? So it's not about like making the algo better, the algo is working, but to help us automate whatever we need, let's say a scanner or something like something which can initiate some signals whenever, let's say, two or more signals are met, so something like that. So we have also discussed those in the past live stream. So those kind of things we are trying to evolve that can, I mean, lead us to the automation thing. So that's what we are talking about, the updates and everything. So Fires has it. So guys, you can try out Fires if you think, like, again, there is no recommendation or anything from my side. If you feel, do try them out, otherwise don't. Like, it's all up to you. But yes, we are like only looking at the options available, and that's it, to trail your profits. I will accept you. Is there any fake signal in this? See, it's a probabilistic setup, as I said, like uh, probabilistic setup, and also it's not deterministic. That means like what do we mean by probabilistic that is with a high probability big institutions have shorted here. Now as you saw here, call writing also happened, put writing also happened. Okay, but then the call writers took like they bent the chart, right? Why? Because they have put more money. So that's how you have to little bit careful that who is putting bigger bets, and that's it. And also as I said, like whenever you see big call rating or big put rating, you wait for the charts to bend. Okay. Hi Orgo, how to determine in stock options is carrying forward the trade is a good option? Yes, that you cannot know. I have tried 1,000 times. Like I have put a lot of time in that. Like I have said in the past live streams also, you can never know if they're closing. Okay, like you can still get a fair idea that like suppose call writing happened here, call buying is happening. It might be for hedging, might be for hedging, or might be their closing positions as well. But you can not exactly know if they have closed or they have kept those positions. So that is uh, like I have tried, but data points I did not find anything that can help us with that. Intraday HFT algo indicator working superbly. Joining you soon. Presently on holiday. Sure, Avneet ji. Which city are you from and your team based at? Kolkata. And guys, like again, for the minimum package is like 6 months, and it's only we have kept it only at 15,000. So I mean, you can just turn your head around and look at into the stock market. People are selling like any kind of simple indicators for let's say 40K, 50K. I'm not again saying that those indicators are bad or anything. Just go and check that out. Like so, and we have come up with some indicator that like you are watching something like no one has even made something like in the history of the stock market, and we are just providing it for like 15,000 for 6 months. So at a very very low cost, we are also providing that so that it can be accessible to many. So I hope you understand our efforts, and we are trying our best to make it like affordable and everything. So but we also have a cost of running the business and everything. So there is a huge cost to it as well. So that's why, since we have to optimize everything, our cost as well as to make it affordable, so that's why we are making it like at least for 6 months, the minimum one. So yes, I'll have to go at 3 p.m. I have a meeting. So yes, so the indicator like it will, I mean the live stream will go on till 3:30. Okay, and you can watch, but I won't be there to answer your question. So still, if you have any queries or doubts, you can still ask. And if you want again access to the indicator, so you can make the payment and right away you get access to the indicator. And so you again don't have to worry about anything, like if you're taking the access today, so you get access right away, but your membership starts from tomorrow. So before going tomorrow live with the indicator, so you can check out the charts and everything. So before going live tomorrow. So no, so it does not work on BTC because TradingView is not allowing option chain data for crypto and commodities. So that's why like I mean even they also introduce option chain data like I think 8 months back. So I think they will also introduce those. Otherwise, I have to make my own platform and for this, but that will be a huge cost. So because just for buying data from the exchange itself will cost me huge. Yeah, I'll keep the live on. But again, if you have any queries, like still like you can write your questions if you still find any queries, or you can also tag me on X and also ask questions. I'll be happy to answer. I try to reply to everyone, and also like for members, they know like they text me personally. I also reply back to them. So anyways, it's 3 p.m. It's almost. So you can still ask here. If I get time, I'll come back and I'll answer the questions before 3:30 when it ends. Okay. So okay, guys. So I'll be muting myself. The live will go on. Okay. So it's 3 p.m. So yes. I mean, not only pro traders. So there are like some HNIs. Like at the end of the day, you will find out there are mostly four sections in EOD, like uh, FIIs, prop, DIIs, and HNIs. Yeah, so no, I think sorry, the other one I forgot. So, anyways, so the HNIs are also present. So high net worth individual. So okay, so let me be there. So the one whom I have meeting with, so uh, he's not responding currently. So, anyways, so I'll be live then as long as that person doesn't respond, or maybe I'll have to reschedule it tomorrow. So, anyways, I'm live, still live. You can ask. I'm sure there will be yeah, so there are, yes, of course. If not, they are missing huge. No, there are like, yes, but since like with so less amount of followers, uh, yes, like I still haven't like got a lot of followers, but still within a small within such small followers also, like I have many prop traders as well as HNIs also. Yes, I don't know whether I have some FII is also sitting here as well, like have taken my subscription as well or not, so I'm not sure. But like some people while taking subscription, they told me that they are HNIs, so yes, that's why I know. But no one has said me like they are prop decks or something. Sorry, no one has said me they are FIIs or something, so that's why I can't say that. But again, what happens is that, like, whether some FIIs comes or HNIs also come, so any big operator also gets to know. So the point is that this cannot stop working because we are following them in real time. Okay. Now, after they have placed their bets, this is showing up, right? So after they have placed huge bets, then they cannot reverse it back, right? So they would obviously want market to follow in their direction only. So that is the beauty. Like, many people have asked me this question: if many people starts following this, will it stop working? The question is no. The answer is no. The reason is like the the reason is the same. That is after the big guys have taken position, then they would obviously want the market to move in their direction. So again, guys, if you have any queries or questions, you can ask. And also, if you enjoyed the live stream, don't forget to put a like at least. Likes are free of cost and it's anonymous. No one can know you have liked. So, So even like in HDFC Bank, we were here when we last reviewed. Just go and check out the live stream. So here we saw mostly call writing was happening. Yes, some put writing happened here as well, but mostly call writing. It gave a fall here and then again here call writing, but here also like some call writing happened and it came down. Then after that put writing happened here and then one green candle and it pumped up all the way up. So before this pump only like you got this signal of this put writing, right? So that's why like I mean the point is that like it's not giving the signal after the move. And in Reliance was a big example was here like you see like this big operator has like I mean dominated all the rest like the big short. So did it right here while it pumped and then after that like so let's also review once Bank Nifty so how it all went there. So yeah, in the morning Bank Nifty if you see here Bank Nifty mostly like put writers were present in the morning and then after here call writers so it were here again some call writers call buying also happened but we don't follow that and yeah so this put writers were mostly present so again it might happen here that is like call writing and put writing both are happening so they're making short straddles but further what is happening further put writing was happening and so it followed that and again here as well is some call writing some put writing but these are very very small sharks like if you look at the amount here some put writing happened and went up but while going up they did some call writing again came down so it's all about like a flat market again here right at the bottom like as we saw in Sensex also like and in Nifty also like here they did call writing fall and then again put writing went up. This was a good amount of put writing and also this was a good amount of call writing as well. Again here also like again in Bank Nifty call writing happened one more green candle and it fell. So that was the time at around 14:31. So yeah, coming to Sensex. Sensex we saw the full review. Again if you want to see finally like here if you see like Sensex in the morning. So even after the gap up also you see put writing was happening and it's all real time like and right at 9:15 also we got the signal. So but you have to wait for the charts to bend a little or to go in that direction. So uh, that's what we are like I mean we have to wait a little and again so it tried to went up and then but here call writers were also present here. I mean if you look at it in a very small time frame so call writers were also present here and then put writers so call and put writers are both present here but here only mostly call writers were present in this region fell we also like saw this one like so like the put writing happened right at the fall here they gave some support Here put writing, we saw this live, like here put writing happened, it went up. Mostly put writing happened there. Here some call writing happened in Sensex, and that's the thing. Here mostly put buying happened, so we don't follow put buying. Call writing also happened, yes. And this was the best one we saw, like today happening live. Okay, so like one after the other red candles, and that was the last red candle. So after this, I mean anyone wouldn't question like the indicator or the code that can it catch reversal or not. So guys, like if you don't have any questions, like even after 3 p.m. also, like as you can see, here put writing happened, and it's trying to go up. So all these are being done by big algos, big firms. Like here call writing happened, but I say usually after 3 p.m. don't go with them, because after 3 p.m. moves can be a little deceiving, because they might be taking moves for to like positions for tomorrow, and a proper move might not come today. So and also like whatever options you have in the indicator, so whatever it can track, so it has all been listed here. So like Nifty, Bank Nifty, Sensex, Fin Nifty, Mid Cap Nifty, and then you have all the Nifty 50 stocks, and then you have all these other stocks which are not present in Nifty 50. And also recently some more has been added, so I'll also add them in this list here. And so all the indicators that you will be getting access to is listed here, out of which our flagship indicator is this HFT Algo Scanner, which tracks the big institutions in real time. Again, so if you are convinced that yes, with the help of this indicator, you can track reversals or it might help you. So, I mean, you can simply come to our website and take the membership. And also, those who don't have money to buy the indicator, I also make live streams, and also like I post many updates on X as well. But when I get time, I cannot guarantee that I'll be posting. But yes, I do definitely try my best. But again, if you think that like you are a trader and this can help you as a trader, so you can go for it. You can opt for it, and you can track the big institutions in real time, like absolute real time, and with proper fund flow, like so that like you know that who is putting a bigger bet, the bears or the bulls. So simply you have to like add it to your charts. So you have to go for get started and like add it to cart and check it out. Okay. Also, people come and say that are there any coupon codes? So please understand that like um, it's not about like making a fool out of people. Like I can write 20,000 and then I can give you a discount of 5,000 and make the 6 months as same. Okay, so let's not fool each other. Let's be straightforward, and let's put the best price there itself, and not like uh, increasing it and then giving discount. So ultimately, those are done for marketing purposes, and I am a guy who is mostly involved in research and innovation. So that's why like I usually don't like those types that is increase the price and then give discount. But yes, also like, but sometimes I mean you if you have to run a company, you have to hire a marketing the guy and do those things. I get it, but the point is that like we have put the best price on our website itself, and I mean just at like let's say 2,500 or less than that, if you go for higher plan, so you are able to get information that no other traders are getting. So if you think that is worth it, and not only that, like those information you are receiving like and helping you to track reversals, so I think that is not a very costly thing. It's affordable, and many people can afford it. So I've seen many traders making a loss of more than 15,000 in a single day, single trade. So that's why like I don't think we have really optimized the cost and made it affordable, and the rest is up to you guys. You have to think, you have to decide, and that's why we come live and give live demo. Because what happens is that after the market hours ends, if I do even the replay version and show it to you, so many people can come and say that live market game is totally different, now you can see and tell. So that's why we come live and give you the live demo. But again, every day I would be getting time or not, I'm not very sure. But again, but if I don't get time to come live, obviously I'll post the whole scenario on X, or even make a video on YouTube and post it after market hours. But because someone coming after that, so they would obviously want to know what is the accuracy. So for that, I will say the accuracy is over 80 to 90%, but no trader will believe me. So that's why I have to post it every day. And also backtest cannot be done because on TradingView you don't have historical option chain data. 7 minutes to close. And again, if someone is having trouble in English, आप बोल सकते हो. I'll try my best in Hindi as well to explain. Ultimately, reading the indicator बहुत simple है. मतलब you just have to follow the light green and the light red and also big light green, and you have to distinguish between big light green and big small light green, or big sharks and the small sharks. So big positions and small positions, that's what you have to differ, and you have to only go for the big light green and the light red. Like here light green and light red, but you have to see who is putting bigger funds or who is putting a bigger bet. तो कौन ज्यादा पैसा लगा रहा है. तो ज्यादा बियर्स पैसा लगा रहा था इधर. So the big institutions were mostly shorting and it fell. तो यही आपको ध्यान में रखना पड़ेगा, और that's it. And when you see mostly like call writing and put writing are happening side by side in almost equal quantity, not like this ज़्यादा put writing हुआ और थोड़ा बहुत call writing हुआ. So not like this, when almost in equal quantities, as we like saw I think in Nifty we saw today in the morning. Okay, so like here 41 CR of put writing, 33 CR of call writing, only the light green. So almost the same amount, near about. Okay, so then you understand that, or side by side ho raha hai, so then you understand that short straddles are formed. Go charting has historical options in data. Is it possible to fetch from there because many people wants to backtesting? So no, TradingView I don't think will allow so much huge data. So I mean, you can analyze and put something on TradingView, but you cannot put such huge data on TradingView if they are not. Let me see. And also, like, I cannot put my algorithm on Go charting because then they will have my code. So uh, yeah, TradingView is a very big platform. Uh, so I'll have to make my own platform, and that's why like I have done my best. You have every day's result on like X or on YouTube video, so you can go and check those out for the past performance and how it can track reversals. Okay, guys, so the market ends. I hope you enjoyed the live stream. Again, if you want access to the indicator, so and you can test it out before going live tomorrow. So you can go to my website and grab it, and you get access right away after you have made the payment. And so every plan has the same thing to offer. Only if you go for higher plan, so you get it at a lower cost, and that's the thing. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the live stream. And even on a range bound market, so there were many reversals that it caught, and right from the bottom and right from the top as well. And yeah, so if you have enjoyed it, please don't forget to put a like. And again, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.